AI is mastering every field possible in recent times, and I discovered some AI tools which could make your audios sound so cool. So let's talk about them. The first website can separate the vocal and music of any audio. In just one click, you can separate the vocals and music from any audio, and this is free. This website have many options to edit your audio, but Vocal Remover is the key feature of the website. This website is my personal favorite. It sort of works as auto-tune. Here is the samples. This is the sample audio before processed in the AI tool. And this is the audio after processing in AI tool. This website improves your audio in just one click. The links to the websites are in the description, and see you in the next one.